Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Ecomi.
Welcome to the Real Crypto Space. This is Hamza, and this is not financial advice. However, as we say, these coins will potentially do really well within this bull cycle. So we're going to try and make the most out of our experience.
But before we get into the video, please make sure you press this red button up here, subscribe, comment, like, and also go follow our Instagram whilst you can as well. So thank you.
Right. So the coin that we're going to be looking at today is Ecomi, brackets OMI, that's the symbol. And currently the coin is trading at 0.009. And many people get decepted by the price. However, what you should really be looking at is the market cap. Currently sitting at around 1.498 billion, so around almost 1.5 billion. So compare this to other coins such as Cardano and Polkadot. This coin, if it reaches that specific level, you can do like a very nice 20x. So potentially, if you're looking for a solid coin overall, that's ranked around 208 on the crypto market cap, then this coin could be something that you really could get into. And currently the supply as well is very, very small, sitting at just 22%. And yeah, we're just waiting for it all to get diluted. And obviously the 24-hour volume is $20 million, which is fairly decent for a coin that's valued at around 1.5 billion. So people are still trading back and forth on this coin.
So as you can see with Ecomi, we've got a long way to go as there's only 22% of the coins released, only 166 billion out of 750 billion. So there's obviously, as you can see, there's going to be a lot of dilution to come, a lot of price dropping due to that. But if you can hold it out to when they're all released, then it will just be smooth sailing from there, basically.
The price when it first started on the listing on Tuesday, February the 16th, it was around 0.0005, and as you can see at the current price right now, it's reached 0.009. Okay, so that is a crazy return on your investment. So that's around it's almost a 16x or something crazy like that since the first since it was first listed on the exchanges. And that's crazy. And to be honest with you, this coin can do crazy numbers as it is still very, very small. And for what's going to happen this year, I can definitely see in this coin at least do a 40x or something crazy like that. So the market cap, as you can see, it was not really revealed, and all of a sudden the market cap and the price just exploded, and all of the information got revealed. And as you can see, it's just been resting on between the 1.3 billion to the 1.55 billion mark of the market cap. As of right now, we're just playing between them prices. And if you're looking for a nice entry, wait for a bit of a dip and potentially hold it for the long term. And that's what I think can potentially happen with this coin. The listings that you can buy this coin at, it's not really on Binance or KuCoin or the Uniswap, which are currently major listings. However, Gate.io is also a great listing that you can buy these cryptos off. And Bitforex, SendEX. I've not used Bitmax or Bitforex at all. However, I've seen people use Gate.io, and it's also very reliable for your funds. And yeah, it's similar to KuCoin. However, I'd recommend using KuCoin. But if a coin like this is not listed on our favorite exchanges, Gate.io is also a great exchange and very reputable as well. So I'll definitely recommend making an account and seeing this as a foreseeable investment.
So Ecomi is a technology-based company which is based in Singapore, and they what their aim is to lead the way for digital items. So like all these type of collectibles here that you can pay for with your crypto. So it's just for collectors basically. So it's a one-stop shop. So in the VV Digital Collectibles part of the website, you have the one-stop shop for digital collectibles through the VV app, which are bringing pop culture and entertainment into the 21st century. So they've got a secure wallet, so you don't need to worry about actually sending your money there. It's perfectly secure. They have hundreds of millions of digital assets stolen each year. Not them specifically, they're talking about crypto in general. They have millions of digital assets stolen each year. Not Ecomi, just crypto in general. Keeping your digital currencies and private keys safe is now more important than ever. So you know your digital wallets such as ledgers and all sorts. You have your passcode phrase, so a 24-word random phrase to in case you lose your wallet, you can get back into your cold storage hardware wallet basically. But this, what they do is their secure wallet is they employ a world-leading security which is combined with ultra portability in a world-first credit card-sized cold storage wallet. So I have not seen this in ever really. So you have so this is what it looks like, and you get secure offline storage, 1,000+ digital assets, NFT support, which is really awesome. I really have not seen this with digital wallets yet. Cold storage anyway, NFT support, and of course it's wireless and portable. So if we have a look at the price of this, it is actually £145, which is about 199 US dollars as well. And it tells you where you can what you can manage. So it says 1,000+ cryptocurrencies. So obviously that's going to include Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, all of those, just standard coins.
So with Ecomi, the good thing about this coin is that the future is NFTs and non-fungible tokens and DeFi. So this coin will incorporate NFTs, and it also allows for collectible items, collectible gifts. So this is something that NFTs do, and using OMI as a platform, it will allow for the storage of these NFTs, and which will cause a surge in demand. Because as of right now, we've had a surge in demand in NFTs, and what's happened is everything that went up started having a little bit of a dip. So people started losing a little bit of hope of NFTs. However, the dip is normal, okay? And NFTs is the future. And with Ecomi, we can definitely be seeing NFTs being stored in that wallet as well. And there's a lot that's going to be happening for Ecomi as well. There's many updates that are going to be released. And overall, I'll give this coin an 8.5 out of 10, since I still think there are many other coins that are unmatchable compared to Ecomi, but Ecomi will also be doing something different of what I think. So this coin still has got a lot of features to go through, and the supply is perfect, the daily volume is perfect, and the market cap is perfect as well. And there's still a lot of stuff that's going to be happening to this coin as well. Plus, it's only listed on Gates.io and Bitforex and Bitmax. So once these coins start getting listed on Binance, Qcoin, Uniswap, all these major centralized and decentralized exchanges, we can definitely be seeing some crazy surge in prices. So this is why I think currently at 0.009 sounds crazy, but we can definitely be seeing it potentially hitting 0.1 or 0.9, which will be like 100x as of now, because currently the market cap is 1.4 billion. It would need to reach 140 billion in order to reach that step up in price. And yeah, this coin for me, I definitely think it'll do a nice 40x within like 6 months or something crazy like that, because there's a lot of stuff happening in the DeFi and NFT area. So yeah, I definitely think this coin is worth an 8.5 out of 10, and potentially could be used in your portfolio too for the long term as well.
So this is the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please make sure you press subscribe, like, comment, and also go follow our Instagram as well. Would be much appreciated. So thank you very much. Have a great day.